Hi, it's me, Big Bird, and I'm Snuffy. And today we're singing one of our favorite Christmas songs. That's right, Bird. It's all about a red-nosed reindeer who made fun of and called names. Yeah, and we learned that it's not nice to call people names and tease somebody. Yeah, it makes other people feel worse inside. Yeah, I remember when somebody called me an elephant, and I didn't like it. And I know that you're not an elephant, Snuffy. Well, thanks, Bird. Ready to sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? You better believe it, Snuffy. Here we go.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen.
Yes.
Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
I know them too.
But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Oh, yeah.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Yeah.
And how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, he'll go down in history. That's so much fun.
That's a great story, Bird. You like that one?
Oh, I told you it's my favorite. I love that red nose.
Yeah. I wonder how it would be if I had a red snuffle.
You, that's funny.
That'd make a lot of light, huh, Bird?
Oh, yeah, and what if I had a red nose?
Yeah, or a red beak.
Right on.
Yes. You could be on one side, and I could be on the other side of Santa's sleigh.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, hey, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Yeah.
My Snuffy pal.